In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the share code of your car design livery here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you do need to make your way to your garage. This can be from an estate, this can be from the festival site, it doesn't necessarily matter. Just make your way to the garage, and once you're here, you need to open up the cars tab. So tab across the top, two cars up at the very top. Once you're here, scroll down to design and paint, and you need to select my designs and find the livery that you want to go ahead and share. So open this up, find whatever one it is. Let's just go ahead and say it's this one, right? Once you're on it, what you need to go ahead and do, because before you can actually get that share code, you have to make sure that the design is actually shared. Select it, choose the option to share just like so, boom, hit share. You can of course create a title, put in some whatever, it doesn't necessarily matter. But then from here, you just have to hover over it once it's shared and then just press view share code on it, bang, just like so. It'll show you the share code. This is right stick on any of the controllers or it's P on keyboard, so obviously use whatever one works for your platform, but the share code will then appear on screen so you can copy it and send it over to someone else. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.